Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can add a showcase on TikTok. In order to do so, here we are in Cider, and we're going to ask Cider AI how we can do this. According to Cider, you first want to open up your TikTok app, launch the TikTok app on your mobile device, and log into your business account. So you are going to need a business account. Access the TikTok shop feature from your profile by tapping on the shop tab. If you don't see it, you may need to ensure that you have the TikTok shop enabled for your account. Once in the TikTok shop, look for the manage products option, and here you can add products that you want to showcase. If you haven't already added products, tap on add product, fill out the details for each product, including images, descriptions, prices, and inventory. Make sure to use high quality images and compelling descriptions. After adding products, go back to the shop section, look for the showcase or promotions option. Tap on create showcase or similar wording. Here you can select the products you want to highlight in your showcase. You can usually customize the layout and appearance of your showcase. Choose the style that you think will attract your audience the best. Add engaging descriptions, taglines, or promotional offers to make your showcase more appealing. After editing and customizing your showcase, review everything to ensure accuracy. Tap on publish or save to make your showcase live on your profile. Share video content or posts that direct your followers to the showcase. Use engaging visuals and calls to action to encourage views and purchases. Consider going live to discuss the showcase products or run a promotional campaign. Use attractive images and videos to grab attention. Provide details and enticing descriptions to help potential customers make purchasing decisions. Include clear calls to action in your videos and posts to direct viewers to your showcase. Interact with comments and questions to build trust and rapport with your audience. In conclusion, showcasing your products effectively can drive sales and increase engagement on your TikTok shop. Keep your content fresh and engaging, and don't hesitate to experiment with different promotional strategies to see what resonates best with your audience. Also, I feel it necessary to point out that TikTok shop and the showcase option is not available in all areas. So make sure that TikTok shop is available in your country. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find links to our X page where we post the top AI content on a regular basis. We'd love to have you there. We also have information here on our intro to AI webinars and links to our top AI tool recommendations, as well as Roamless eSIM. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.